Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Join me today for a flip through of my new Garden Fairy journal. It'll be available in my Etsy shop. Now I'm calling this journal Rosetta. My kids used to love watching Tinkerbell when they were much smaller, and one of the garden fairies' name was Rosetta. So our cover is a beautiful floral fabric cover with some silver foil accents. I've wrapped around a doily, crocheted doily. On the spine we have this beautiful embroidered flower. This is a sari silk patch, and in the back we have another patch here with a little pocket holding the maker's signature. So it says Karamia's Corner Shop 2021. You can definitely use it as a little tuck spot for a mini tag, and it says handmade. It also has this beautiful pink lace trim closure. So on the top we have this beautiful image from Cicely Mary Barker's book. It's an original image of this beautiful fairy, and beautiful frame from Tim Holtz. Created a collage background. We have some gem trim, some lace floral trim as well. I put some burlap lace here on the side with some metal and pearl brads. We have these beautiful floral lace trim here, and we have a rose brad with an elastic closure. So inside is a hidden book plate, and here you can write your name. It says, "This journal belongs to a friend to all the fairies." Beautiful wax seal, and it has mushrooms in the background with some gold accents there. Some tea-dyed lace trim. We have a fuzzy cut image again from the same book that I salvaged, and then a little collage kind of layered paper in the background. On the side here we have a beautiful yellow floral trim, a little pocket for a little journal card that you can use. So that is our book plate. Now let's have a look inside. So beautiful. I kept it long. I think it just looks so fun and playful. And inside here is a look at this beautiful fabric. I left it open like this for you. Some silver foil accents. This journal contains one signature, and then we have this beautiful image again here of a fairy, and it says where to find flower fairies. And beautiful trim, lace trim, and this beautiful bead embellishment here on our cover. Inside we have a little tuck spot with a journal card, another tuck spot here, little postcard for journaling, and then we have a little envelope pocket. Inside we have an accordion style, this is playing cards, an accordion style little journaling card. On the opposite side you can do some coloring with some florals. And then over here we have this beautiful digital print, and I'll link all the digitals that I used for this journal. And I've printed it on linen paper, so it has a little bit of texture there. On this side we have another tuck spot, beautiful lace printout. It says beautiful wildflowers, wax seal with a leaf, a nice journaling spot here for you on the front and the back, beautiful collage page and some stitching, and it says note. Now this one I left open. This is handmade paper. You can definitely put an adhesive in the middle if you would like to create a tuck spot, but I think this page would be a great page to put a picture or create a collage. We have another tuck spot here with some tags, dragonfly paper. Over here we have another beautiful page from Cecily Barker's book, and beautiful image of her fairies. I just love it. And these two pages complement each other so well with the green and this beautiful flower. And then here we have a little belly band holding the Garden Notes little notepad. So it's a tearaway sheet that you can use. We have a little tuck spot here, and a little Tim Holtz card, and a little note here about fairies, so you can journal on here and there as well. Maybe put a picture on top of that. More beautiful pages here. This is another beautiful digital. Again, printed this on that linen paper, so it has more texture. You got this beautiful lavender florals. On the flip side, we have that beautiful vintage lace, so this can definitely be a photo spot. You can tuck the photo or adhere it. We have some ephemera that you can use. Little journal card here. And I love this one. Just lavender flowers, some lace trim. Here on the opposite side, we have a little cute snail holding this journal card. This is a purple cornflower, little key charm, and little floral tab. And on the back side, you have a nice journaling spot to write on. And another beautiful digital here with some mushrooms and a collage, kind of mixed media look there. More of that lace. We have a music sheet, stationery with florals. Here we have a beautiful book image from a children's book. Little pocket there with a floral tag, a journaling card, and a little strawberry, looks like a floral little seed envelope. And again, another beautiful journaling spot here. We have a lace little tuck spot here on this page. Little recycled magazine pages. Some embossed dandelions on this journal card with some fabric remnant. And then a ledger style journaling spot for you as well. Then we have our tassel trim, which is always fun. Little tag here with some buttons and ribbon trim, and again some mixed media page here that you can play with. Vintage music page. This is a vintage page from a flower book, and this is really pretty. Then we have a print, floral print of a digital on some vellum paper. I think this one was from, I don't remember from where, but these are cotton flowers. And here we have another little booklet with like silk fabric pull. We have a dragonfly in the front, butterfly on the back, and when you open it, we have some calligraphy, Japanese calligraphy paper. So one side is smooth, the other side is a little more rough, but it's perfect for journaling. A little pocket here. So you can put your journal cards, have little mini ephemera on there. Beautiful Bow Bunny, dragonfly book page. Did some stitching on this pocket. And we have some butterflies. So you can definitely, you know, put a picture here. And then over here we have a little envelope pocket with some burlap, beautiful hydrangea wax seal. It says Enchanted Fairy. We have a small ATC card here. You can definitely add a picture or add more collaging here. Maybe do some word cutouts. And then we have our little journaling spot here with that fairy. So this can be a tuck spot, or you can just use it as your journaling spot. And we have a floral memory decks card that you can use for journaling, putting a picture, little floral ephemera paper here. And then we have our bulb pin with some mini bead, pearl, and like a turquoise blue floral bead. Rosette, this is a fabric rosette, and a little burgundy ruffle. On the next page we have a little stamping you can use as a label, little floral vellum sticker here. We have some pressed flower on this beautiful pendant with our bird journal. And on the flip side, this is what that journal card looks like. We have a little envelope here. This is a beautiful spot to add a picture. Beautiful stationery sheet for you to write on. And then that reef here again, I just love that nature look to it. We have another writing spot here. Really pretty, and look at this beautiful picture. So definitely another photo mat or a collage page. On this side I have a little charm that has some pixie dust, and it says shine. Let me just take this binder clip off and show you. We have a journal card here. Beautiful image of these cute little fairy sprites and some stitching. We have a vellum sticker on top. And on the flip side, we have a collage journal card with a postcard. Beautiful vellum page. Another vintage floral page. You can do some writing on top. A little music sheet with a tag. It's a little flip out. You can attach it. So there's a lot of room and space to grow. And here is also a wonderful page, perfect for collaging. This one has already that beautiful frame, so I can already see you putting a picture there if you would like. And then we have a belly band here. It says Imagine, some heart lace trim. Beautiful fairy with a paper tab, and another beautiful tea-dyed paper for journaling. Love this page as well. More of our beautiful stationery, so many spots to write on. Our music sheet with some of the butterflies and dragonfly. Lace print here. Beautiful mixed media with the mushrooms. Here's another gardening book page. A mushroom fabric tab here. Beautiful lavender flowers. And we have another space here for writing or putting a picture. Beautiful page here with the vintage kind of receipt. This one has the linen paper, so it's textured. And then here we have a cute little note. Let a little fairy dust land on your shoulder. There's like all these snippets. Here's another wonderful spot for collaging. A little paper tab with a flower. I love this flowers. And look at this beautiful page for writing. And these images are just so precious. I love those fairies. We have our mushroom little pocket with a little writing spot underneath. A little tag here with a pearl and gold kind of like bow. And this one is a little fabric tab. Little checklist notepad. More of our wildflowers and handmade floral paper that you see here. More writing spot. And this is the back of our signature. So our signature is actually not sewed onto our cover. It's held by this belly band. It's pretty sturdy. We have some sari silk here with the gold. Really pretty. And then we have another journaling card with a cute fairy. So on the back you can have you can journal, do listings, put your dates on there. So here, this is our belly band, and it has some roses. So that is it. This is my Garden Fairy journal. Now I have a little bonus that's included with this pack. And so I am basically including a small little pocket ephemera just to get you started and get you excited about decorating your journal. So I have it here, and you can definitely reuse this. So let's have a look and see what the items are. We just have tags, some tickets, some of this wonderful paper ephemera that you can cut apart or use for collaging, a beautiful little tag. It says Fully in Bloom, some little cutouts of leaves, more of the checklist, and then we have more of this. There's a fairy ephemera here. It's really nice little images here of like little kids playing. I love this image. They could be reading something about fairies or something. You can write on the back. We have this bird with some words, perfect again for collaging. Little bus ticket. We have our butterfly tag. And a few more items here. We have this telegraph, little receipt or ticket, little vellum sticker, some floral stationery. Here's a floral paper bag that you can add on with the flip out pages and use as a pocket. We have a tea-dyed guest checklist check, and we have another one of these in here. So here's the pocket, and we have a butterfly. It's been stitched. We have our cute little gnome there, and it says Make a Wish. Beautiful butterfly die. And on the back it looks like that. And also including one of these stationery sheets. I think it's so pretty, so it's very delicate. And look at that cute bird with the purple flower. I hope you guys enjoyed a flip through of my Rosetta Garden Fairy journal. I'll put the listing down below. Again, wishing you all a wonderful weekend. Thanks again for watching Caramia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.